It's a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, external memory control, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.